Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with keyboard and mouse. The only officially supported and safe method involves using a specialized remapping device. These devices act as an intermediary, translating your keyboard and mouse inputs into touch commands that your mobile phone understands. This approach ensures you avoid any anti-cheat system flags, allowing for a legitimate and enjoyable gameplay experience without risking your account. It's crucial to understand that direct connection is not viable. Remapping devices, like those from GameSir or Flydigi, are designed to bridge the gap between your traditional PC peripherals and your mobile gaming. They connect to your phone, then your keyboard and mouse connect to the device. Essentially, the device mimics finger touches on your screen, making the game believe you are using touch controls. Many incorporate advanced anti-ban technology, providing a secure way to gain a competitive edge with enhanced precision and control in your favorite battle royale. Setting up your keyboard and mouse for PUBG Mobile is straightforward with a remapping device. First, connect the device to your mobile phone, typically via Bluetooth or a USB cable. Next, plug your keyboard and mouse into the device's designated ports. The final, crucial step is to use the device's companion application to configure your keybinds and adjust sensitivity settings. Take your time to customize these to your preference, ensuring a comfortable and responsive control scheme for optimal performance. Playing PUBG Mobile with a keyboard and mouse significantly enhances your gameplay. You'll notice vastly improved aiming precision, allowing for more accurate shots and quicker reaction times, giving you an edge in fast-paced encounters. I highly recommend spending at least 15 to 20 minutes in the training mode to familiarize yourself with the new controls. Also, consider adjusting your in-game HUD layout to better suit keyboard and mouse input. This method offers the most effective and secure way to elevate your mobile gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.